Sairam. There are several reasons for celebrating Diwali or Deepavali. That's the better word. Deepavali means Deepam plus Avali, row of Deepams, row of lights. And one major reason, the first reason is related to Lord Rama. We all know Ramayana. In the Ramayana, that Lord Rama went for Vanvas along with Sita and Lakshmana for 14 years. There Sita was abducted by Lankeshwar, Ravanasur. So Rama along with the Sainya of Vanaras and predominantly by Hanuman, they all went to Sri Lanka and vanquished Ravana. After that, Sita Mata's Agni Praveshan was over and Rama was about to leave for Ayodhya. At that time, Lakshmana asked, brother, look at this beautiful Lanka. Then before that what happened? Lord Rama asked Sita, look at this. Let your drishti, kripa drishti, fall on this Lanka. Because Lanka was completely damaged, destroyed after the war. So Mother Sita, kindly, with her great kindness, she looked at the Lanka and everything became golden. Then Lakshmana was bewitched by its beauty. He said, brother, why can't you be the king of this Lanka? Because when a king conquers a country, the country legitimately belongs to him. And let Bharata rule Ayodhya. Then you know what he said? Rama said, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. Oh, Lakshmana, never, never. Mother and motherland are the greatest gifts for a person. They are more supreme than heaven, Swarga. So Rama was about to set his foot into the Pushpaka Vimanam along with Sita and Lakshmana and Hanuman and others. Then he called Hanuman. So Hanuman, no, you go to Bharata, who is worshipping my sandals in the Nandigram. You go there and then caution him, just announce, give him this good news that I am returning after 14 years. Because 14 years are going to be completed. Then, otherwise what will happen? He had promised that he will self-immolate himself. Hurry up, rush. Then Lord Hanuman also, he went on this mission and informed Bharata, oh Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana are returning to Ayodhya. Oh Bharata, he said. Then what happened? He came back. Then Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, the Pushpaka Vimana, they left for Ayodhya. The news reached the people of Ayodhya. They were thrilled to see their dearest Rama after 14 years. They were waiting like anything. They were looking forward to his arrival. What happened to our Rama? What happened to our dear Rama? Will he come back? When will he come back? They had only one prime thought. When will Rama return? When will our dearest Rama return? Though they were all so happy and elated, then immediately when some guest is coming to our house, what do? We clean the house, we decorate the house, and we prepare so many items for them. So in the same way, we have to welcome him. The same way, they cleaned all their houses. Everyone cleaned their respective houses. The streets were all cleaned. The streets were decorated, and they were all lit with diyas, lamps. In those days, earthen lamps were available, no? So they lit their houses with lamps, and this is known as the row of lights, and this is the reason for celebrating Diwali. The return of Ram from Vanvas is celebrated.